Prayer is our direct connection to God, a powerful tool that brings us peace, healing, and guidance. James 5:16 says, "The prayer of a righteous person is powerful and effective." Prayer isn't just about asking for things. It's about building a relationship with God. When we take time to pray, we open our hearts to God's plan, letting Him work in our lives in ways we can't imagine. Never underestimate the power of your prayers. God listens, and He answers. Whether you need comfort, direction, or strength, prayer is the key to unlocking God's blessings. Even when it seems like nothing is happening, God is working behind the scenes. Sometimes the answer may not come right away, but God always knows what is best for you. Keep praying and never lose hope, because God hears every word and He cares deeply about you. The more you pray, the closer you will feel to God, and the more you will see His hand at work in your life. Trust in the power of prayer, and know that God will always answer in the way that is best for you. Amen.